A 6-character password is to be chosen from the following 9 characters. Each character may only be used once. Find the number of different 6-character passwords that can be chosen if there's no restrictions. Well, with no restrictions other than the fact that each one can only be used once, we have 9 choices of our first, then 8 choices, 7, 6, 5, 4. And so we just need to do that. So 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 gives us 60,480. So now the password must consist of 2 letters, 2 numbers and 2 symbols in that order. So it's got to be done like this, and don't forget we're only allowed to use each one once as well. That was stated right at the beginning. So how many letters do we have? We've got 4 of them. So the number of ways that we could choose the first one is 4, and then that would leave us 3 choices for the second one. Then the numbers with 3 of those. So 3 choices for the first one and then 2 for the second. And then for the symbols, there's just 2 of those. So let's just check, there was just 2. Yeah, there's 2 of those. So that's 2, 1. So what we have is 12 times 6 times 2. And that means we've got 144. Okay. The password must start and finish with a symbol. So still got 6 characters altogether. There's 2 choices of what goes first, 1 choice of what goes next. Then we have 7 left. So there's 7 choices to go here, 6 here, 5 here, 4 here. So that's just going to be 2 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 1. So that's 1,680. Okay, continuing on, there's a second part to this question. An examination consists of a section A containing 10 short questions, section B containing 5 long questions. Candidates are required to answer 6 questions from section A and 3 questions from section B. Find the number of different selections of questions that can be made if there's no further restrictions. Well, the order won't matter here. You've just got to answer the questions. It doesn't matter what order you do them in. So these are going to be combinations. So for section A, it's 10C6. And then from section B, you've got 5C3. So let's calculate that. So we've got 10C6, and we're multiplying that by 5C3. So that's going to give me 2,100. Okay. Candidates must answer the first 2 questions in section A and the first question in section B. So that leaves them 4 questions from section A, and if they must answer the first 2, there's 8 left for them to choose from. So we have 8 choose 4. So questions 1 and 2 are just taken out. They've already done those, leaving us 8 questions to choose 4. And then in section B, where there were 5 questions, the first one has to be done. So that leaves us 4 questions from which to choose the remaining 2. So that's going to be 8 choose 4 multiplied by 4 choose 2, and that's 420.